गुड इवनिंग। मैं आपको हार्मोनिक पैटर्न की तीसरी स्ट्रेटजी बताने जा रहा हूँ। मैंने बटरफ्लाई पैटर्न और शार्क पैटर्न ऑलरेडी कवर किया हुआ है। अगर आपने वीडियो सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो उसको कर लें और बेल आइकन प्रेस करें। जो भी आपको ट्रेनिंग में नया वीडियो अपलोड होगा आपको ऑटोमेटिकली नोटिफिकेशन चला जाएगा और आप आराम से देख सकते हैं। और ये वीडियो ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लोगों को शेयर करें ताकि स्टॉक मार्केट में जो लोग पहले से ट्रेडिंग कर रहे हैं, चाहे इंट्राडे ट्रेडर हों चाहे स्विंग ट्रेडर हों, उनको भी फ़ायदा हो। इस पैटर्न को हम साइफर पैटर्न कहते हैं। इसमें जो टाइम फ्रेम यूज़ करते हैं 1 आवर 4 आवर ट्रेड सेटअप। स्टॉक मार्केट is bear or in bull. Trade with primary trend and the stock must have good liquidity. Trading preferred time as per Indian timing 9:20 a.m. to 11:30 a.m. or please do trading in first half and avoid second half. This strategy must be avoided in range bound or sideways market. Let's go ahead with bullish cipher pattern. The cipher is 5-point harmonic pattern made up of points X, A, B, C, D. The cipher is easy to spot on the chart because it has a characteristic wave like appearances displaying either rising peaks or falling valleys. You can trade the cipher like harmonic pattern by waiting a reversal final point and then using pending orders to profit from any potential breakout. What is bullish and bearish cipher pattern? In cipher, point X, C, D are the critical point. For a bullish cipher, X should be the pattern low and C the pattern high. A bearish cipher makes it high at X and low at C. In the bullish cipher, the point A and C should make successively higher highs and point D must above X. In the bearish cipher, point A and C must take successively lower lows and point D should be below X. So this is the diagram. Whatever I told, you can compare with this and you will able to understand. So you see in the diagram bullish cipher and bearish cipher, and bullish cipher you have to buy at point D and bearish cipher you have to short at point T, and the pattern should match exactly and the percentage should be equal as mentioned in the diagram. I will just go ahead with next slide. Bullish and bearish cipher pattern. The reversal is expected point D and the final point in the pattern. To validate a cipher check, AC retraces AD 38% to 62% of XA, BC retraces 113 to 14% of XA, AD retraces 78% of XA. So you can see here the same thing, you can compare AC, BC, AD. So see AC, BC and AD. Always allow a tolerance of few percentage around these numbers. They will rarely exact. The cipher has slightly appear different appearance to the butterfly bat and gartley. In cipher, C makes a stronger rebound behind A, and that gives appearance of rising peaks in the bullish cipher and the falling valleys in the wearing cipher. This you see the diagram. This is the similar diagram. Oh, then you see cipher has slightly different appearance than the butterfly bat and gartley. In cipher, C makes a stronger rebound A, and that gives the appearance of rising peaks the bullish cipher and falling valleys in the wearing cipher. So in cipher, point X, E, D are the critical point. Please remember the bullish cipher, X should be the pattern low and C should be the pattern high. You can see X is the pattern low and C is the pattern high. You see in the diagram. And you can D point are critical point. A bearish cipher makes it high at X and low at C. In the bullish cipher, point A and C should make successively higher highs and point D must above X. In the bearish cipher, points A and C must make the successively lower lows and the point D should below X. The reversal is expected at D point. That is the final point of pattern. Market physiology. So let's go ahead with market physiology. The cipher is a technical wave pattern in which the market is trending but it, it is making sharp reversal along the way. The key point of bullish cipher is both the lows and the highs are trending upward. The bearish pattern, the opposite happens as the downward momentum increases. The high and low at each reversal point are progressively lower. If the cipher completes successfully with the reversal taking point D, it may eventually become a trend channel where price oscillates between the highs and low. Cipher can appear inside the price channel as they are already established. Cipher trading rule. To trade the bullish cipher, first confirm the point XABC in your alignment with the correct ratios. Next, wait for the price to reach point D. Once the price touches point D, enter a buy stop order with the entry price higher than D. A buy stop will only execute if the price rebounds high enough from D to reach the entry point. The order expires if the market doesn't reach the entry point within time limit, and an appropriate setting is about 1.5 of time between C and D. The work order expires, the trade is abandoned if the market stays bearish and the retracement at D extend deeper. Price target. So set the price target at the cipher Fibonacci reversal line point D and C. You see here point D and C is the, you can put a Fibonacci retracement and you can define your target. This is bullish cipher diagram. You see X, A, B, C, D and D is the buying point, and you have to follow the rules of mentioned as per previous condition. You see the diagram of bearish cipher. Short position is D and you can take at profit. That has been already shown you. The diagram is stock loss also shown in the diagram. Price target. Set the price target for the cipher at Fibonacci reversal line between point D and C. To work out precise target, use the Fibonacci retracement tool and mark the point on the chart between D and C. You can use the Fibonacci and you can take profit. The tool should be display the retracement line at the appropriate Fibonacci level are 0, 23, 38 and 100%. We have already told the Fibonacci retracement. You can refer to my video, which should be horizontally level of C. If the breakout occurs, expect this line to develop the support and resistance areas. Once the breakout occurs, scale up the position using pyramid or grid method. If the bullish trend extends at D, it is very improbable that the price will extend in straight line from D. What happens more often is one or two false breakout happen sometime in both direction. Using the scale entry is less entry because the exposure only increases if the trend shows more strength on the bullish side. If there is not clear breakout about D within limit, it is safest to wait for the better opportunity. You see, this is also bearish cipher, and you see, you put a Fibonacci extension and you can book profit at one level, short it and just wait. If it is crossing, go ahead for second level. So bearish cipher, then bullish cipher pattern. So just see bearish cipher pattern. Just see bullish cipher pattern again. Bullish cipher after the XA rallies prices retrace 0.462% to point B. Price rallied back but didn't take a very high, but just close enough to point A and C. From the C, price fell below B but above, retracing XA 0.760 from D. The price is rallied. You see, this is D and the price is rallied to reach 0.8382 and 0.618 retracement level of CD. So you see, so here you can put and see. You have to use the Fibonacci. Important points while trading cipher pattern. You must remember, cipher pattern is not common as other harmonic patterns such as Gartley or butterfly pattern. Although the occurrence of cipher pattern is rare, but it is by no means a pattern that offer a higher probability. Due to the rare occurrence of cipher pattern, trader should make the room for adjustment to Fibonacci levels. Waiting for the perfect cipher pattern will result in trader watching the charts for a very long time with no valid setup occurring. The cipher pattern can occur on any time frame, but it is best to use 1 hour or higher time frame. So friend, I have told this cipher pattern trading. You take some 15 to 20 stock on daily chart and try to see whether are you getting cipher pattern, and just compare with these diagram and see the conditions are meeting and are you getting short or long. Then you have to go ahead as per trade. This is rare pattern, I already told. So this is from my end, and if you make practice, you will be a successful trader. For successful trader, you must be aware of technical indicators, then patterns, then candles. So these, then support resistance, then tools like Fibonacci, and this there are a lot of patterns like double bottom, double pop etc. I already told you. So friend, this is what from my end. Please look into and revert in case of any query. Thank you friend.